Hey everybody, and welcome to the Collectors Corner. My name is Mike, and this is TCC Baseball coming to you from ShopRite. That's right, if you guys don't know what's in this place, you're in for a good treat. I'm going to be bringing you there in a second. Just wanted to show you the outside and say, yep, this is another day. We're going to go in here and find out what they have. This is a great machine in here. If you guys haven't seen this video already, I'll leave a link above, also down below. But you are going to see some stuff. And it is full. Alright, let's start down on the bottom. They have a Mark McGuire. Looks like a rookie card. And we're gonna go up. Space Shots, never heard of that before, in Pokemon. Star Wars, Vengeance of the Sith. Some more Pokemon. Yu-Gi-Oh! Alright, now we're going into the baseball. So they have some Series 2 Fat Packs from 2016. That might be nice to look at. Fleer Gamers, never heard of that one. Bowman Stadium Club. 98 Bowman, 97 Series 2, some assorted packs, 2018 Series 1, $1.50? Yep, $1.50. I'm trying to focus in for you guys. A little hard going through the glass. Ryan Sandberg, $1 off center. Good. Let's center him. There we go. MBL Stadium, MLB Stadium. All right, so I'm going to get a couple of things. I'm going to show you guys what I get in a little bit. Just wanted to show you the whole selection. This is the AllStar card machine. All right, everybody, so I'll show you what I got in a little bit. Okay, everybody, so we are back from the vending machine. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. Pretty much spent everything that I wanted to spend in there. We bought some 2000 Paramount. This is from Pacific. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of those. Was not $2.99, and yeah, so we got a lot of those. I do like Pacific cards. If you guys haven't seen them before, stay tuned. You're gonna like those. I picked up the last pack of these Fleer Gamers. Don't know much about them. This is 2000. Looked interesting. We have 1 pack of those. 2 pack of 1998 Bowman. Really cool, Series 2. So we got 2 of those. Hobbies, by the way. Pretty nice. And if you guys didn't see this in the last video, extra bases, pretty cool. These are 1994, and they are from Fleer. So we're going to do a 2-part video. You guys have already seen the machine. What we're going to do is open up some packs now, and yeah, stay tuned for part 2 video tomorrow. We'll continue opening these up. What I'm going to do is open up, we'll save the Pacific cards. We're going to open up the Bowman, the Fleer Gamers, and the extra bases. Let me put out some stands. Let me know down below what you think of the machine. I find it always pretty cool, and especially today, it was well stocked. And Can't get any better than that. Let's see. We'll start with the extra bases. So like I said, this is 1994 extra bases, 12 baseball cards in the pack, 1 limited edition insert card. And let's see if we could read here if there's anything. Yeah, here you go. Find and collect all 4 limited edition insert sets in these marked packs. You have second year cards, you have Major League hopefuls, rookie standouts, and game breakers. All right, so let's open this up, see what we find. Can't go wrong really at that machine. Maybe the prices might be a little high, but my goodness, I don't know about you guys, but during the pandemic, this ongoing time, it is hard to get product out there unless you go on the internet. So basically these are what the cards look like. They are kind of bricked up together. Let's see if we could unbrick them. All right. So here you have David Weathers, and the back side, the flip side. Pretty cool. I do like, you have major pitcher, nice looking cards. Let's see who else we get out of here. Dan Wilson, Mark Langston, extra bases. Wes Weger, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. See who else is in here. We do got a Met, don't know who that is. Alan Trammell coming up. This photo there. Mr. Torres. Mark Whitten. We have a checklist. John Wetland. Gary Sheffield. And the last card is second year star Al Martin, Pirates. Second year card, 11 of 20, and that subset, and that set, I should say. All right, so that was extra bases. Let's put this one up here just to highlight it. Let's go with the Bowman. Yes. Let's go with the Bowman, 1998 Bowman, Series 2. Bowman International card in every pack, randomly inserted. Prospect cards, anniversary cards, and Rookie of the Year. All right, let's see what we can find in here. These cards, I believe I haven't seen before, so I don't know how they look. Nice checklist. Way to start, right? Okay, yeah, I think I did see these before. Maybe some Fairfields. And here's the back. Travis Lee. Will Clark. Bowman. Pretty nice looking cards. Cal Ripken. There we go. It's a nice card. Lopez. Octavio. Bowl. Johnny Bridges. Chris Benson. And a Dean Palmer. So this is the international. You have a little map in the background, so that's pretty cool. So that was the first pack. Let's hit into the second. Just picked these up because they were something different. It seems like each pack comes with a checklist. That's our second checklist. Francisco Cordova, Moses Alou, Quentin McCracken. I remember that name. Oh, nice. 1986 minor league MVP, Gary Sheffield. Nice looking card there. So let's definitely put that over that one. See who else we have. Stephen Carver. And our last, Vance Wilson. That's the international card. All right. So now last pack for this part one of the video will be this Fleer Gamers could hit game used back card, Alex Rodriguez, Cal Ripken Jr. or Derek Jeter, autographed game used back card, and short print rookie. Contains 5 cards. I'll show you guys the back. And here's a little bit of the stats. It's a 120 card base set. All right, parallel sets there, and you have your 5 limited edition insert sets. Okay, so let's see what we can find in here. This is a Gamers. Don't know if these will look familiar to me, but here we go. Nice looking cards. I don't think I've seen these before. Eric Chavez has a little foil action going on. Remember, only 5 cards in the set, in the pack, I mean. Ray Langford. Nice card. Todd Walker. Andrew Jones. And a nice one here. Definitely for the PC. Mr. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. Nice card there. Alright, so there you have it. This is part 1. Stay tuned tomorrow. We'll get the rest of these Paramount packs opened up. So, this is Mike for the Collectors Corner saying thank you all for watching. If you're not a subscriber, there should be a circle popping up around there. Click it and give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the machine and of these packs. Alright everybody, I will see you tomorrow. Take care everybody. Be safe and be well.